secret chord like David played, and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to the kitchen chair, she broke your throne, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. And maybe I've been here before, I've seen this room and I walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on a marble arch, but love is not a victory march. It's a golden, it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. And maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. It's not a cry that you hear at night, it's not somebody who's seen the light. It's a golden, it's a broken hallelujah, hallelujah.